Oh my days, the light is all over the place today because summer is officially over at the time of me recording this video. But with that said, my name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about your editing so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them with full creative control. And here in this video, I'm going to give you something that is really going to help you really take your editing to the next level within Final Cut Pro 10. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about how you export pictures from Final Cut Pro 10. Without further ado, let's get into it. So exporting pictures from Final Cut Pro 10 can really open the door of how you can edit pictures or take still shots within your project, and that could be really helpful to you, especially when you're using pictures as an example or for other different purposes. And I'm going to take you through it. Let's go. So here we are inside of Final Cut Pro 10. I've already started a project and I have my workspace set up for the task that I'm going to complete. If you would like to find out more on how to get your project started or to set your workspace up for a specific task or to suit your editing style, then go through this entire playlist here on my YouTube channel, and it should be titled something similar to Final Cut Pro 10 Beginner's Guide. So let's get started. At the moment I have a preview window, my timeline and the inspector. The task that we're now going to complete is going to be fairly easy, but I'm going to walk you through it nonetheless. So you want to export a picture from a video source or a piece of media in your timeline. In our case, it's a video and it's some stock footage of somebody walking in some night trainers through some autumn leaves. So I'm going to bring that Nike logo into a little bit more focus, roughly about there, so we know what we're looking at. At this point, when I've picked the exact frame that I want to export as a picture, which is this frame, I mean, if you wanted to have more precision on the frame that you wanted to export as a picture, you could zoom in on your timeline like so and use your arrow keys to move frame by frame to pick the exact image that you would like to export. At this point, when you've chosen your picture, you go up to the share options at the top right hand corner of the screen. We click on it and you should have a share option called Save Current Frame. I'm now going to hit Save Current Frame. At this point, you just title your picture accordingly. Picture of Nikes. You can add any tags and add the creator if you would like to have that within the JPEG's data. You can go into the settings and you can change a few settings here. For example, you can export to a PNG image. You can export to a TIFF file, a Photoshop file ready to editing within Photoshop, an OpenEXR or in JPEG image, which is what most people will be using here, or a DPX image. In our case, we're going to leave it to PNG. Then you've got Scale Image to Preserve Aspect Ratio. So the aspect ratio at the moment is 1280 by 720. So what we're going to do at this point is we're just literally going to hit the next button because we have all of our settings in the right place. Looking back at the info just in case you can't find where it's been saved, and pressing next in order to export to a location. In my case, I always export to my downloads because my desktop is set up to iCloud. Then hit save. Then it's the case of just waiting for the share to be complete, and that picture will be waiting for you once it's complete, and that picture is now being exported. And here is the exported picture called Picture of Nikes that we've just exported from Final Cut Pro 10. If for whatever reason you don't have the share current frame option available within your share menu, what you would then do is you would go up to your share menu option, click it, and then you just literally add destination. At this point, you should be able to see just underneath the YouTube icon, Save Current Frame. You would then click this and then add it as a destination. So give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you in whatever shape or form, and definitely hit me up in the comments section if this is new to you and this is the first time of you seeing this, or you know, you've enjoyed the video, you've just enjoyed seeing my face on a video for whatever shape or form reason, I don't know. If you have any questions at all when you're going through this process yourself and maybe you've ran into something, an error code or something of the sort, definitely hit me up in the comment section down below and we'll walk through it and trying to find a solution. Now with that said, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more, because I upload here on my main channel, AnthonyAllenEdits, every single day to help you with your editing so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them with full creative control. Thank you for watching this video here on my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits. I'll see you in the next one as I upload every day, so I've definitely got another video coming up for you right now, and I'll see you in that one. Thank you for watching.